The Snydersville Diner is getting ready for the holidays. Pie orders are being taken for Thanksgiving and Christmas. Baking all your favorites like pumpkin pie, coconut custard, peach crumb, apple, and more. Stop in or call the Snydersville Diner to place your order. The Snydersville Diner has been reborn.
It's been a landmark in the community since the 1930s, serving breakfast, lunch, and dinner.
Now they've brought back all the things they've been known for. Delicious breakfast, a great lunch, and yummy dinners for the whole family.
Everyone knows about their world-famous Sunday turkey dinners, but now they've added some new things, like sautéed specials every day, pasta favorites, and French onion soup.
So you can delight your taste buds by mixing things up. Order an old favorite and add something new.
The Snydersville Diner has great specials, like all-you-can-eat spaghetti Wednesdays with other Italian specialties, burger blast Thursdays, wing night Saturdays, and turkey night Sundays. And don't forget 10% off senior Mondays.
One thing we can't forget about is the pies, made fresh right here on the premises daily, as they have since the beginning. All kinds of pies. Every day you have choices.
But everyone's favorite seems to be the graham cracker pie. Serve it up with a great cup of coffee.
If you're a regular customer, you know what we're talking about.
And if it's been a while, you definitely want to come back in and see the changes.
Takeout is available too. Check out their daily menu on Facebook. The Snydersville Diner, off Route 33 and 209, where the community meets for over 80 years.